Last 3 months, life slowed down. 25th April, college farewell done. No more classes, no more bantering around with friends, just me and a lot of time at hand. First, it felt like I was just going through the days. But now, when I look back, it all added up in ways I didn't expect. What happened wasn't planned. It was this weird mix of intentional and unintentional change that happened. I just kept doing what felt right, experimenting, playing around, and somehow that all makes sense now. Since this 3 months of slowing down is coming to an end, I was reflecting on what happened in last 3 months, and I thought maybe just let materialize it and just make a video on it and come here and talk to you guys about what happened in last 3 months. I remember after my college farewell was done, I was thinking ki what I'm gonna do in this time because I had my exams, but exams to ho jate hai college wale. The books, I was like, I have so many books. I'll read a lot of books. I'll write and I'll try new things and blah blah blah. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ना दिमाग में. So I was like, okay, I'll try things. I wanted to read a lot of books because I was like, finally I have time to read a lot of books. And because I had this stacks full of book in my room, I was like, I'll read this book in this time period. But guess what? How many books I read? Just four. Just four. Because I got, I'll explain in the video later I just read 4 books. But I read this book. Maybe you should talk to someone by Laurie Gottlieb, if I'm pronouncing the name right. This book is written by a therapist. She shares her experience of dealing with different patients and her experience of going to therapy and her experience of being with her therapist and how things goes. It felt very warm, very relatable in the sense, in the ways I didn't expect. I did read this book and then 3 more books, and I'm starting the 5th one now. But it's fine because I was doing other things also and I was in a different phase. Maybe not much of reading, less of consuming and more of creating. I started doing content creation seriously. I didn't thought I'll start YouTube this early. Like, I always wanted to, but I didn't thought I'll start this early. Like, I have experimented pehle bhi. This content ka keeda is not at all new in me. Since 2020, I have been playing around, doing experiments, doing things that मतलब जो सही लगा उस time पे. Like, I have done पहले भी on Instagram, on YouTube, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर, but it was never seriously I've done. मतलब because वो उतना समझ भी नहीं थी चीज़ों की and मतलब नहीं किया कभी पहले. ठीक है, but I started doing this time and it gave me a sense of fulfillment, I would say, because before that I was questioning a lot about my worth, about my confidence, about am I doing anything good in my life, or I was questioning कि can I really work on something seriously, because पहले ही मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें करी and I would leave it on the middle, and I was like, I was questioning everything about me. Will I ever find that one thing that I would really enjoy doing? I don't know if I found it, but it gave me a sense of purpose. It gave me a sense of fulfillment. And since the time I've started taking content creation more seriously and I'm doing the work, I'm putting in the efforts and things. Obviously there are no numbers now. It's just very slow because I'm just starting out. But it gave me a sense of fulfillment. And let's see how it turns out. But it just making me feel good about myself, this whole content creation journey. So let's do it and let's see how things goes. I have learned to be fine with uncertainties and trust the process. I used to be so worried about things. I remember during the last week of March, I was on a call with my best friend and I was telling her, everything feels so too much, how things will turn out. I was so worried about everything. But now when I'm seeing things happening, and I was like, now I'm becoming more okay with uncertainties and trusting the process, because I know at the end it will all be alright. Because things always turn out in ways you don't expect, but they at the end they make sense. And when you look back and connect the dot, it all makes sense. I'm someone who kinda had anxiety all her life, and I used to get worried about little things. Little things would bother me, but it's easing now. Mainly because of my content creation journey, also because I'm doing things for myself. The more of reflecting things, writing, and those things, and also I have made some changes in past 3 months. I have made sure who I'm surrounded by, and also because I've learned to be more patient with things, because I know things will turn out good. Just give time. I have stopped stopped seeking validation, and trusting the process. I was someone who used to escape a lot. Like, I'll have a little inconvenience, I'll call a friend, or I'll get indulgent in something, maybe like anything, a movie or something. But now I've became more patient with things. I'm like giving more time to myself, and I'm realizing ki what I am doing, like career wise, what I'm building will take time. It is a slow process. It will take time, and I have to be fine with it to play a long game. I've started accepting myself. I have redefined a few things I knew about myself. I have discovered a few things about myself. I have unlearned the need for control. I have unlearned the need of constant validation. Looking back, I see there were more calm days when it was just me doing my things quietly, and these 3 months actually felt like progress. I'm excited for what's to come now. Things will again get geared up, and let's see how things will turn out. This video, first I wanted to make a script, but I feel like script limits my expression, and I wanted it to be more free flowing. I don't know how this will turn out. Do tell me if you like these kinds of videos or not, and give me suggestions, give me feedback. Everything is welcome. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself.